Farmall 51 here. Alright, it's move-in day at the North Carolina State Fair for our international chapter 37. We got the big boy out front here, the 1206, and we're gonna have some 82, I think, series Cub Cadets, 382s, 582s, 982, and some stuff like that. And then we've got the you've seen this truck in a couple of videos back, the 1210, the 1972, I think 1210, owned by Mr. Farrell. And very nice truck, and go back and take a look at that video if you want to see more about it. And then I apologize for the lighting, they ain't quite got the, hope they're going to put more lighting in here. But we got the tractor of the year here, Miss Addison, and Colton Lloyd's Farmall Cub here in the back. And we've got a 574, 464, and the Max Armstrong 404 coming in here as well. Got a 504, 122 Cub Cadet F14 by Mr. Gardner, 382 Cadet by Mr. Rhett, and F20, very nice F20 with a, I believe he said this was a factory starter on this thing. Now Drew's modified his and put a different starter on it, but that's very nice conversion. Mr. Scott's 560 LP, and very nice wide front H by Mr. Drew Gordon. And this beast here, which is taking up quite a bit of room, but it's the very nice 1066 Black Stripe. Very, very, very nice tractor. I had the privilege of driving it in here, so you can see she's a beast, that's for sure. And we had to unbolt the stack to get it in here because it would not clear, but due to some backouts, 2 or 3 people I had that backed out, I had to scramble, and I think this is a very nice replacement. So so 1963, I think, or 65, I think he said, Scout, International Scout, and I drove it in here. I'll have a short up of it here eventually, but it was it's a very nice, we'll do a little walk around video of it later. I didn't get to do one before on it, and I've seen it 2 or 3 times. Got a leaf stuck in here, but owned by Mr. Langley. Mr. Langley's a former international parts man, very knowledgeable. If you ever get to meet him, he's a real nice gentleman. And Mr. Walker's M here, you've seen this one before at some of the shows. Here's a 100, Mr. Rodney, 140 by the Vice President of 37, Joey. And the man, the myth, the legend, Mr. Mike. This is his Farmall AV, and you've seen this one before. This here in a couple videos back. This is the AV, and we did a little short video on it. We'll have to do another longer video on it working. So he's done a very nice restoration, and this is one of the only one that I know of. I know there's probably a couple more, but around these parts of actual working exhaust lift like it's supposed to, and that's very rare to see anymore. But that's what we've got so far. It's Sunday, and not much else to show you. Like I said, we got a couple more coming in. We got a nice Super A for Mr. Bradley, and a 57, I think, Farmall Cub. I think that'll be right here. So that's we're pretty much just about a full house so far. And but come out and see us. The fair starts Thursday. I can't think of the date now, but I'll put the date at the bottom of the screen here. Come out and see us, and we'd love to have you come through. And I should be here a couple days working if you want to come by, and I'd love to meet you, meet everyone. It's always nice to meet subscribers. Had a great day yesterday at the GT West Plow Day, and so anyway, I think that's about it. We've got some more tractors at the pavilion, and we'll catch y'all later.